In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post in Sprout Social. This process is straightforward, yet it offers a range of possibilities for managing your social media presence effectively. Let's start by opening the Sprout Social platform. Once you're in, look for the Compose button. This might look like a plus sign or simply say Compose, and it's typically located in either the top or sidebars of the interface. Clicking this will open the Compose window where the magic happens. Here, you have the option to select one or more social profiles you'd like to post to. This flexibility allows you to manage multiple accounts from one place, a huge time saver for busy social media managers. Now that you have your profile selected, it's time to move on to creating your content. You'll find a text box ready for you to enter your caption or message. Keep in mind the nuances of each social media platform, as a captivating and appropriate caption can significantly boost your engagement rates. Once your text is ready, you might want to enhance your post with some media, such as an image or a video. In the Compose window, look for the icon that lets you attach media files. Clicking on it will allow you to upload the desired photo or video, ensuring your post stands out and captures attention. Next, let's set the schedule for your post. Within the Compose interface, search for the section labeled When to Post, or something similar, as terms can sometimes vary slightly. Here, you'll find the option to choose specific day and time. Selecting this will give you the control to precisely decide when your post will appear on the chosen social media timeline. Think about peak engagement times for your audience as you pick the date and time for your post to go live. A little bit of strategic thinking here can make a big difference in how your content is received. With the scheduling in place, the final step in the process is to click on Schedule, Queue, or Send. This action depends on the option best suited to your posting plan. Just like that, you've efficiently scheduled your post in Sprout Social, saving time and ensuring consistent communication with your audience. Scheduling posts not only helps in maintaining a regular posting schedule, but also allows you to plan your content strategy in advance, freeing up your time for other important tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.